Hi guys, we are going to try to use an online Photoshop program called Photopea to continue to work on some projects while we are using distance learning. I think you'll find that Photopea is very, very similar to Photoshop, although I'm sure not quite as powerful. Um, the similarity between the two is enough that you guys should be able to navigate and be able to use this program fairly easily. Hopefully you've watched the introductory video that I posted for you the other day and kind of have an idea what's going to be going on. So let's go ahead and get started with what we're going to do today. What I'd like for you to do today is I have provided you a couple images for you. I'm going to go ahead and open those images. I simply go in File, Open. Um, I have mine downloaded to my downloads folder. I'm going to open the yin yang symbol. Okay, this is a PNG symbol. It does have a transparent background, which is good. I'm also going to open the footprints. Okay, so I open up the footprints. It'll open in a separate file or a separate location right here. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to isolate one of these footprints. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my magic wand tool. So you can see it right here. And I'm going to select the foot, and you can see it did not get all the toes. So I'm going to hold my shift key to add to the selection, and I'm going to select the toes, each of these toes individually. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit my, sorry about that. I'm going to hit my mask button. Got to move this out of the way for you a little bit. I'm going to hit my mask button right down here, and that will mask out just this particular footprint. If you want to, you can either take your crop tool, and we're going to go ahead and just select the footprint there. We can do what we want, and we'll go ahead and accept the transformation. And now we've got just that foot. Grab my move tool. I'm going to drag the foot over here onto my image. Okay. Now here's where it gets a little bit different. I'm going to use my move tool, and I want to kind of tilt my foot just a little bit. So I need to click on the transform tools. Simply clicking Control T will open up a new browser, and you do not want to do that. So click on the transform tools, and you can see you get your box. We can angle our footprint a little bit, about how you want, something like that. Okay. Go ahead and hit the check mark to confirm it. Click the transform tool button again to take that square off of there. Okay, that's one of the big differences I've found, a little bit confusing between Photoshop and Photopea. Just having to do that extra step right there instead of Control D for deselect. So I take that transform tool off. Now I want another footprint down here. So I'm actually just going to duplicate this layer. Duplicate layer. There it is now. We've got two layers, one on top of the other. And I want this footprint to be white. So I'm going to hit the default button on the D button to get my black and white colors. I'm going to hit my X to get the white color on top. I'm going to go find my paint bucket, which is right here. You might have gradient tool pulled up. It's nested underneath the gradient tool. Select the paint bucket, and I'm going to click on the areas that I want to turn white. I'm going to take my move tool once again, and I'm going to move that footprint down here. Okay. Grab my transform tool. I'm going to rotate. Oh, yep. A little bit slow because I'm making a video. Yours might be a little bit faster. Move it up here. Rotate my footprint. Something like that. And I'm going to accept that transformation and take the transform tools off. Okay, that's the basic logo that I wanted to make right there today. I'm going to go to File. I'm going to save it as a PNG or export as a PNG. Right there. It's going to say format PNG. It tells me the size, which is fine. I'm going to hit save, and you can see it downloaded to my download folder. If I go to my download folder, I should be able to find this particular particular image and upload to my Google Classroom. Okay, that's the assignment for today. Good luck.